Hi, Colin, and everyone over at Character Exteriors. My name's Christian Renna. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. Not sure if you're having this website built currently as we speak, but either way, this information that I'm going to give you, you can take with you and use it to your advantage either way. So three things: content, citations, and backlinks. First being content. So content is not just the words on your website. Content is also the pictures, what's behind the pictures, how the pictures are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, etc. So the magic number of words is 1,500 words. Google loves content. Okay, Google loves content. Content is king in the eyes of Google. And so 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. Make sure that you do that. You're going to want to make sure to implement buyer intent keywords in that content, and then you're going to want to make sure that all your photos are saved properly. So a lot of times when you upload photos, they're not saved with good content. They're saved as just whatever the computer came up with, text file 3729 or whatever it is. So just make sure that your photos are saved properly and make sure to have 1,500 words on any page you're trying to rank. So I would imagine your roofing page is important. You're going to want to make sure to have 1,500 words at least. Okay, next, citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Chamber of Commerce, things like that. Those are going to give you citations. Citations are going to help you rank in this map pack. This is what we like to call map pack, Google Map Pack. This is where you want to be. Okay, you want the customer to type in Kalamazoo Roofing Companies, which is what I typed in here. You want them to see Character Exteriors. You want them to click the call. You want them to go to your website. You want them to get the business. Okay, that's the goal. You want to be right here. This is where you want to be. Number one, number two, number three. I typed in Kalamazoo Roofing Companies. You guys aren't here. That has to do with citations. Do some homework. Get yourself some more citations. Get your name out there, and that's going to help raise you up in this map pack. And then if you're not here, you at least want to be in the organic search. Like you can see Sheriff Goslin, you got Advantage Roofing, you got Van Beck's, you got 855, you got Mr. Roof, no Character Exteriors, Van Beck's, you got Hanson's Kalamazoo. So Kalamazoo Roofing Companies is a high volume search, so a lot of people type that in. You want to be here. I know you guys are siding companies, so I typed in Kalamazoo Siding Company. We got Van Beck's, we got Home Siding, we got Leicester. I didn't see you guys here, I didn't see Character here. And then you got Van Beck's Van Beck's is number one for Kalamazoo Siding, and they're also number one in the organic. So they're going to get a lot of search. They're going to get a bunch of search volume. Then you got Exteriors by Hutcherson, Elkenhout. You got 855 Leicester's. Okay. So this has to do with citations. Do some research, get yourself some more citations, and then you can rank in any of these various buyer intent keywords. I have your map pack pulled up here, your GMB. So a couple things I want to point out. Looks like you have 69 reviews, 5-star. Awesome. That's phenomenal. So super good job there. Keep that up. That's just keep pushing for those. The more you have, the better. Couldn't ask for a better review status. 69 reviews with a 5.0. I'd say that's perfect. And then you got your address, you got your hours, your COVID, you got your phone, you got your website, so that's perfect. And then just you're going to want to go in and make sure you have 10 photos minimum, and you're going to want to make sure those photos are saved properly, just like I talked about previously. You're going to want to make sure those photos are saved properly. You're going to want to make sure to have 10 of them. Keep pushing those reviews, and you're on your way to ranking for these various different topics. So that's good. That has to do with citations. And then last is backlinks. So what backlinks are is basically anywhere that characterexteriors.com is at on the web is going to give you a backlink. It's going to give you power. It's going to give you trust, ability. And so you actually have 24 backlinks coming from 7 referring domains, but you have almost no domain rating. You got a 0.9 domain rating, and that's out of 100. And that could be because something's going on with your site. It's being built right now on WordPress. But either way, you're going to want to make sure that when you get your backlinks, and whether you pay for them or however you do that, you're going to want to make sure to put those in the right place. So you're going to want to be sure to have your backlinks coming from relevant sites that aren't spammy. So not all backlinks are created equal, and you want to be sure that you don't have backlinks on sites that are going to actually dock you and harm you, which is actually what's happening right now with this 0.9 domain rating. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope that your website is done soon, or if this is what you have as your website, I hope that you just implement these strategies and tips to bring you some more money. Contrary to popular belief, this website can bring you money without paying for lead services like Home Advisor and Angie's List. And these leads that you're going to be getting from your website are exclusive. So I hope you find this video useful. Any questions or comments or feedback is appreciated, and I hope you have a good day. So thanks for watching.